Would you like to earn thousands of dollars every month without showing your face, without editing, or even filming the videos yourself? There are people from all across the world starting YouTube automation channels, and you can do the exact same thing and create passive income every month with ads that are placed on your videos. But the first step in making a lot of money rather than struggling is to pick the right niche, one that has a high CPM, which means the amount of money you get paid per 1,000 views. If you don't pick the right niche, it's going to be extremely hard for you, and you're going to waste a lot of time and resources. There's a lot of people out there telling you meditation channels are a great niche to get into because you get millions of views and all you have to do is upload relaxing sounds. Well, what I can tell you is that since the CPM on these channels is $1 to $3, you aren't going to make a lot of money. The other reason is that you can't add multiple ad breaks in these videos because no one wants to watch a relaxing video with ads in the middle of them. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 high CPM niches which you can model today where you can get paid $15, $20, sometimes even over $30 per 1,000 views. That way you don't need as many views and you can add multiple ad breaks in the videos so you can make really good part-time income or even a full-time income, making thousands of dollars a month. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to share with you the niches you should absolutely avoid. So let's get started looking at these high CPM niches so you know which ones will give you the most amount of money. The first high CPM niche is cryptocurrency, and this is an example channel, Coins Kid. They never show their face and just give predictions and tips about cryptocurrency. And this is a great niche to get started with because there's so many coins coming out that you can take advantage of and give predictions and tips about. And you can see their videos are about analysis, about Bitcoin, and just different topics that people would want to know about. And you can see from their Social Blade stats, this is a website that estimates how much money YouTube channels are making. They're making anywhere from $197 to $3.2K per month, but this is wrong because this is based on a CPM or amount of money you can make from 1,000 views of 25 cents to $4. And I know channels like this are earning anywhere from $15 to $20 per 1,000 views, so we can multiply 3.2K by 3 to 5 times that amount, so we can estimate this channel is making anywhere from $8,600 to $11,000 per month, or $103,000 to $138,000 every single year by uploading videos on YouTube without showing their face, and they probably have someone doing the videos for them. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn how to build a long-term sustainable business and my #1 recommendation for making money from home, in addition to YouTube, click the first link in the description below this video. You can earn high-ticket commissions and leverage our closing team. And you're probably wondering, how much does it cost to have videos like this made? You can find people to make them for $30 to $40 per video. And let's say you upload 4 videos a week, and that'll be under $700 a month, and you're potentially making $10,000 a month in ad revenue, not to mention other ways you can make money through the channel like this by selling merchandise and through affiliate marketing. There's a huge potential to make much more money than this every single month. The next high CPM niche is in technology, but it's actually a sub-niche called Tesla. And this channel is about Tesla and Elon Musk. Tesla and Elon Musk are always in the news, and people are always researching the latest and greatest technologies coming out because they have such a great following. So with that being said, there are some channels coming out around this topic you can model after because they're becoming really popular. And you can see this channel started less than 2 years ago, and their most popular video has over 1 million views, and that was posted just 10 months ago. So basically they're taking clips and images and compiling them together and doing a voiceover, so they never have to show their face, and these videos can be outsourced, so you never have to make the videos yourself. And the CPM for this niche is around $16 to $22. So if you take a look at their Social Blade stats, you can see that the estimate for the $4 per CPM is 5.3K. So we can multiply this by 4 to 5 times and estimate they're making around $21,000 to $26,000 every single month simply by uploading videos on YouTube without showing their face, and they probably have someone doing the videos for them. Maybe they outsource the work to an offshore contractor or hire someone on Fiverr, and they're making a really good profit with this channel. And again, this is something that you can model today. Now let's move to an even more profitable niche, which is the stock market news. As you can see here, Cascades Academy, 268,000 subscribers. This channel is about stock market investments and what's the latest and greatest news and basically what's going on in the economy. And as you can see, their most popular video about Toyota has 1.4 million views, and this channel is earning about 3.7K per month according to Social Blade. But again, this is not correct because this niche pays about $25 to $30 per 1,000 views. So they're really making about 5 to 6 times this amount. The next high CPM niche is the Shopify niche. And you can see right here, this channel, Sell This Now, has over 54,000 subscribers. This channel talks about popular and trending products you can sell and drop ship on Shopify. And you can see this channel started about 2 years ago. And I know a popular YouTuber showed her CPM for her channel in this niche, where she does show her face, and it's about $85 per 1,000 views. So looking at this channel's social play stats, we can safely multiply $348 by 10, considering this is not a branded channel, and we can say that they're making over $3,000 every single month. This is a niche you can easily model after and outsource making the videos and potentially be making thousands of dollars every month in passive income. What would that look like for your life? Okay, the next high CPM niche is in general finance. An example channel is Betterment Boss, and they make videos about general topics on finance, like you'd be rich if school taught you this, 7 tips to save money faster, 7 signs you're richer than you think, and they're animated or whiteboard videos with a voiceover, and there's software out there you can learn how to create these videos yourself, or again, outsource to someone offshore or on Fiverr. And the CPM for this niche is anywhere from $20 to $35 per 1,000 views. So the social blade stats for this channel say they're making 1.5K per month, but that's based again on a CPM of $4. So we can multiply this by 5 to 7 times that amount, and we can estimate that this channel makes around $7,500 to $10,000 per month, or around 6 figures per year. Maybe they outsource the work to an offshore contractor or someone on Fiverr, but they are making a really good profit with this channel. And again, this is something you can model today. What would making 6 figures in passive income every year from home do for your life? Now, what are topics that you should avoid? You should avoid them because you won't get monetized long term. It may work short term, but you may get your channel banned if you do these things. You don't just want to re-upload videos or music to your channel or do compilation videos, like put together a bunch of TikTok videos, because YouTube doesn't consider this what's called fair use, where you actually have to change the video and not just re-upload videos. And you may also get copyright strikes and get your channel banned. You want to avoid a niche having to do with children because of what's called the COPPA law, and that is the Children's Online Privacy Act. And it is designed to protect children under 13 years old who access the internet. So it's just best to stay away from this area and have your videos not be designed for children. Also, in the past, meditation channels with music and images of videos were fine, but YouTube most likely will not monetize a meditation channel if you don't make it transformative by adding something like affirmations. So I hope you take these ideas and decide on a channel niche with a high CPM and make a lot of money with an automated YouTube channel. And if you're interested in making even more money from home, you're going to want to watch this next video, 7 unique side hustles. You really want to see this, go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.